What's going on, guys? Thank you for joining me once again in another one of these Polo factory outlet videos. Today I'm actually returning back to the outlet, the Polo factory outlet, because yesterday they had a great deal going on. They have 40% currently going off on their jackets, and on top of that they sent me a 30% discount through the members email program. So on top of that, I am also applying a 10% military discount. So with all of those savings, an item that I can get for $100 will then come down to $38. So that is an excellent steal. That's 62% off of retail. So go ahead and stay tuned to see what they have at this store currently. Now, yesterday I got about 10 items and I only paid about $500 and something. So today I said, let me actually go back and try to get more of those jackets. Once again, this channel is primarily all about reselling. And on top of that, because it's Polo, this is primarily the way that I end up making money so I can keep some of those Polo items. All right, so go ahead and stay tuned. Let's go ahead and check out what they got. Brought all the new ones out. Excuse me, are these currently on sale?
Yeah, the outerwear is 40%.
40%? Okay, thank you.
sell such bags over there. Did I tell you that you get an extra 15%?
Well, I get a 30%. I got that 30%
You got that
off.
30%.
Yeah, so that's why
going after it.
you can't beat these steals, man.
Okay.
Okay, for Black Friday, and some of them were. The sale today is way better than Black Friday.
I'm glad you think so. Yeah, we took all the clearance out Black Friday.
Awesome.
We did it today with the 40%.
I appreciate it.
This booth is
so these will come out at 50. What are they going for? 50. 50, 50. Check this price out.
You want me to leave it at the register with your first name?
Actually, yeah, if you don't mind. I already have enough under Miguel. I have
Miguel?
a couple of
Okay.
Thank you. $111?
This kind of nice.
then could I use the veteran
Veterans?
discount?
Save you a few $100.
Yeah.
$14.81.72. Want your receipt in the bag, or do you want to hold it?
I'll probably hold it.
Okay.
All right, guys, so the shopping spree has ended. What's going on now is I spent, as you guys probably saw, about close to $1,500 in this run. There was so many bags that I can't carry them all by myself. So the representative asked their manager whether they're able to either help me carry them all to my truck, or if I could actually just pull up in back of the Polo store and they'll bring them all up to me. So that's what's actually happening. I'm gonna have them all brought to me from the back of the store. So there's definitely gonna be a great haul video to this one. Probably pretty extensive, but just stay tuned and you guys will see everything that I got from this crazy, massive, huge sale from Polo. All right, guys, so there goes the load. I have a total of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bags stacked up to the top. All right, guys, thank you for following me. If you are currently not subscribed to the channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button for future videos like this, and make sure to hit the notification bell and hit the like button. Leave any comments you would like to leave below, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.